Hey everybody, this is That Real Estate Bro coming back with my third video in my Real Estate 101 series, and today I want to talk about the different types of mortgages that are out there. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Stay up to date with all things going on in my life as well as all things going on in real estate. Yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with the two most common types of loans. That would be the FHA loan and a conventional loan. The FHA loan is a federally backed loan that's reserved just for first-time home buyers, but what it does is it actually has a lower credit requirement and a higher allowance for debt ratios. And so basically what that means is that a lot more people could get in a house sooner than they realized if this is their first home. Now counter that to a conventional loan, that loan can be used by a first-time home buyer, second-time home buyer, or as a second home for investment properties and things like that. Typically it's a little bit easier to go through the rings of getting a conventional loan, but pretty much it's got a lower down payment requirement, but it's more restricted on your credit and debt requirements. But that's the second most common type of loan. You're going to see that a lot, and you can use it on just about anything really. So we have three different types of specialty loans. That would be the VA loan, the USDA loan, and a jumbo loan. The VA loan is restricted just to servicemen and women and their spouses, but just to give you an idea, what it does is it's another government-backed loan that actually keeps our servicemen and women from having to make a down payment on their home and typically have a lower mortgage than some of the other loans. Now, USDA loans are cool because that's a different type of loan that not a lot of people know about. But what it is, it's a type of loan. It's restricted only to rural properties, but it's a loan that you can get with no money down. So that's something really cool to look into. Again, if you want to buy a home and you don't have the money saved up for it or something like that, that could be a good option for you. And finally, we have the jumbo loan, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's the loans for the super expensive $900,000 plus houses. They have stricter requirements on credit, income, cash reserve, things like that, and also pretty strict credit requirements as well. So that's pretty much the 5 different types of loans that are out there. If you have any other questions, you can definitely reach out to me or talk to a mortgage lender. They can look a little bit deeper into your finances and things like that, tell you what you may or may not qualify for. Or even if you think you might want to buy a house in about a year from now, they can kind of help guide you on the right path of being able to get a home and make sure that you're in a good financial position in order to get that home. That's all we have for this one. Make sure you tune in for my next video where we talk about common mistakes people make between getting pre-approved for our house and signing the contract and actually purchasing the home. So we're going to break a little bit of that down for you as well. All right, take care.